Hello everyone. This fall, a video was circulating around the internet known as Mega-Whoosh. My students brought me this video skeptical as to whether or not the physics shown in the video, the stunt that was actually done, could be performed in real life. Their skepticism is well placed. In this day and age where we can manipulate digital imagery and digital video to show anything you want, it's hard to tell whether or not things you see on the internet are in fact real. Let's take a look at this video now. A fantastic video, to say the least. The video was shown to be a part of a viral marketing campaign for Microsoft Germany. It was indeed digitally fabricated. The beginning and end parts showed real human actors, and the middle part, showing the trajectory of the stunt, was digitally created on a computer. But my students' question is still a good one. Can this stunt be done in real life? Do the laws of physics preclude us from attempting such a stunt? The answer I advocated with my students is no. We can actually do this. We know how to do these calculations, and we can set such a stunt up if we so desired. And I promised them that I would indeed show this at a later time. That's what I'd like to do today, is I'd like to show you how you can replicate what you've just seen, albeit on a smaller scale. Our calculation begins with a theoretical calculation where we apply the laws of physics as we know them. And in particular, I want to exploit one of the most powerful principles that we use in physics, known as the conservation of energy. We believe that there is a currency in nature that all objects share, energy, and that they can exchange between one another, and that by tracking this currency, tracking the energy in an experiment, you can actually perform incredible looking stunts and actually predict how to set such a stunt up. I've done that calculation here. I am all prepared to set this stunt up, and we can actually go demonstrate its use. So let's head on down to my basement and let's do some science. Hi everyone, we're here in my basement where I've built a replica of the Mega-Whoosh experiment using Hot Wheels tracks. I call this my micro-Whoosh. We will use, instead of a person, a Hot Wheels car in a much smaller scale, but the physical principles at work are exactly the same ones that you saw in the video a moment ago. The idea of the conservation of energy is something that all of us intuitively understand. You know that if I put the car up near the top of the ramp, the gravity takes that car and converts the effect of gravity into motion, into energy that the car has when it descends the track and leaves the bottom ramp, and into the horizontal motion that will carry it to the target at the far end. So just as in the video that you just watched, I have a small target, a pool of water that we will attempt to hit with the car. I have a victim to slide down the ramp, the form of a matchbox car. And all I need to do is decide where to place the pool of water. I've entered the formulas, the physics, for the calculation into my calculator, and all I have to do is input the parameters of my micro-Whoosh ramp, and it tells me the distance at which I need to place the pool. In this case, 73.4 inches. So let's place the pool of water down where we are supposed to go. I've laid a tape line out here at the end of the ramp so I can place the water where it's supposed to go. You see the 74-inch mark there, so I'll place the pool of water in that vicinity, and with any luck, my calculations are correct and the car will hit the target. So I have my car in hand. I will place it at the top of the ramp where gravity will take that potential energy and convert it into motion, into kinetic energy at the bottom. And away we go. And you can see there, we hit the pool directly, just as in the video. Physics does indeed work, and you can replicate such an experiment as the Mega-Whoosh. Thanks for listening. See you all later.